Hi, welcome to my RankMate review. My name is Henry Tay. What is RankMate? RankMate is an award-winning software that gets you unlimited backlinks and free traffic that ranks instantly on Google page 1 with zero monthly fees. And it only requires 2 steps. Step 1, log in and get access to a user-friendly dashboard. And step 2, enter your website or any link and click on Get Backlinks button. So what is the price of RankMate? The front end is at $17, and if you try to exceed, there will be a pop-up which gives you a $3 discount. If not, you can actually purchase it at $17 and enter the discount code, which is RankMate3, and you'll get that discount. And for the upsell OOTO1, which is RankMate Pro reseller, which is priced at $37. Upsell number 2, RankMate Agency, is priced at $47. Upsell number 3, RankMate Platinum, is priced at $27. And the RankMate number 4 is RankMate White Label. And O2O number 5, RankMate Course Edition. Here are some benefits you may be interested in getting: 100% fully automated cloud-based software with so many features. Get unlimited high-quality backlinks for website and YouTube channel at the push of a button. Extra 50 plus inbuilt SEO and server tools, inbuilt website analytics tool for instant website reports, guaranteed page 1 ranking on Google and YouTube, 100% newbie-friendly platform, add unlimited websites and YouTube channels, inbuilt thumbnail and short videos creator, unlimited commercial license, automate your website and channel with inbuilt automation feature, totally unique existing backlink finder feature, 5 fast action bonuses, and dedicated support. And all this is covered by a no question asked 100% 30 days money back guarantee. When you get RankMate through my link in the description below, you will get my bonuses that I have for you. Bonus number 1, valued at $267, is how to build a buyers list. And you also get bonus number 2, valued at $427.95, is access the figure multiplier. And you also get bonus number 3, worth $344.95, is how to explode your YouTube channel. And you also get bonus number 4, valued at $344.95, is as content creation hack. And you will also get the vendor bonuses. And what are the vendor bonuses? Let me bring you there. So here are the vendor bonuses. Bonus number 1, local gem with reseller license. With local gem, you can design unlimited logos and icons in any niche, valued at $227. And you'll get bonus number 2, designer gem with reseller license, valued at $667, and 100 plus marketing emails, valued at $567. Bonus number 4, 81% discount on all upgrades, valued at $297. And bonus number 5, unlimited reseller license, valued at $997. So when you get a RankMate at a low fee of $17 and with a discount of $3, you will receive all this: remove all limitations, remove RankMate branding, unlimited reseller plus commercial license, remove all watermarks, advanced 4-in-1 keyword finder app, get automatically 5,000 extra backlinks monthly with set and forget system, fully web-based backlink indexer app, 100 plus multiple niche website templates, unlimited everything, no limitations, monthly software updates, ultra fast priority support, and you get free bonus number 1, local gem with reseller license worth $197. Free bonus number 2, designer gem with reseller license, $297 value. Free bonus number 3, 100% marketing emails, $1997 value. Free bonus number 4, 80% discount on all upgrades 97 value, and free bonus number 5, unlimited license, reseller license 197 value. Total value is 3,497. Sorry, 3,476. So now let me bring you to watch the RankMate in action.